If you've just started crochet and your yarn keeps slipping, your stitches feel tight, or your hands feel uncomfortable, the problem might simply be how you're holding the yarn and the hook. In this video, I'll show you a few ways to hold them so that crocheting feels smooth and natural. Hi, this is 1 Trillion Hobbies, a place where we create without any pressure. If you're new to crochet, one of the first things that might feel confusing is how to hold the yarn and the crochet. Now remember, there just isn't one correct way of doing it. The goal is to find a method that is comfortable and helps you maintain even tension while crocheting. In this video, I'll show you simple beginner-friendly ways to hold the yarn and hook, and you can try them to see what works best for you. For this, we are going to start first with a slip knot. So for that, you just need to wrap this around your finger and make a loop like this, and then let the thread inside the loop, pull it, and the end tail you're going to pull. So that makes a slip knot and the chain base. Now I can hold this yarn on this end and then pull it through so that it fits my crochet hook. Now while you're doing that, make sure it is not too loose like this or even too tight like this. If it's too tight, you'll find it very difficult when you'll be pulling through. It will be a struggle and sometimes it might even damage your yarn. So we'll start. There are two common ways most crocheters they hold their hooks. First one is the pencil grip. That's the one that I prefer using. So in pencil grip, you need to hold the crochet hook the same way you like to hold a pencil. Your thumb and index will hold the hook. So you're not supposed to be holding it here. You can see the flat side of the hook. That is where you hold your crochet. And with the middle finger, you're going to support your crochet underneath. Now many people like this grip because it gives them good control over your small and detailed stitches. You can try doing that. Your thumb and your index finger on the crochet and one underneath. So let's see. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and so on. That is what we call as your pencil grip. Now the second grip that we are going to talk about is your knife grip. So in knife grip, you need to hold your crochet hook like how you hold your knife when you're cutting your foam. Your hand rests over the hook and your thumb and the index hold the flat part of the hook. Now many crocheters, they find this grip more relaxed for longer projects. So again, we yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now as I said, you need to practice and see what is coming more natural or what is being more comfortable to you. Now both grips, they work perfectly well. Try both and see which one feels more natural to your hand. Now let's talk about how to hold the yarn. Now you can see I am supporting the yarn on my left hand. Now the way we hold the yarn helps control the tension, which means how loose or how tight our stitches are going to look. For this, a simple beginner method that I can help you with is you need to place your yarn over your index finger like this. Then place the yarn under your middle finger, that is this, and then hold the yarn gently between your ring finger and your pinky finger, and then work. You can use any grip that you like. Now if you have noticed earlier, I like to just pull the yarn over my index finger and I hold the yarn with my pinky finger and my palm, and that helps me create the normal flow. Now if the yarn feels too loose or too tight, you can wrap it once around your finger to create more control. So you can just control like this, wrap it once and then do it. So you have more control over how the yarn is passing. Now tension is something that improves with practice. So if your stitches are too tight, you need to relax your fingers slightly, and if they are too loose, you need to hold the yarn a little more firmly. The goal is that the yarn keeps moving smoothly without pulling too hard. So all your chain should keep on looking similar. So you shouldn't have something that would look, if I turn it too tight, first thing is you will struggle, and then you can see the difference between the stitches here and the stitches here. And if I make it too loose, then you can see, then your chain is going to look uneven. So our goal is that the chain that is going to be the foundation of any project that you're working on is of the same tension. Now a great way to practice that, holding the yarn, the hook, and to have a control over your tension, is by making chain stitches. So the chain stitches basically allow you to get comfortable with the movement. So once you keep on repeating that, you get comfortable with the movement, you find that natural rhythm, and the more you practice, the more natural it feels. So whether it is your pencil hold like this or your knife hold. If you're doing your knife hold, like this. Now that's how you hold your yarn and crochet hook as a beginner. Now remember, there's no perfect way. The best method is the one that feels comfortable to you. So if this video has helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.